y'all, today I'm going to replace the thermostat on the Cummins 5.9L aka 6BT inline 6 diesel engine. First we want to disable the unit and the block heater. Then we can drain the coolant below thermostat level. Now we are ready for disassembly. Fan shroud and battery charging alternator bracket. And we will need to loosen the belt to access the final bolt easily. Cool gnarly generator stuff going on. This is all way louder in person, by the way. Interesting. Wow, so cool. Now we can remove the thermostat housing and remove the thermostat. Ew, gross. This one was stuck open. The operational temp would only rise to about 128 F. It's time to clean the metal surfaces, although not required on this assembly. It's good practice to always clean before you reassemble, especially components that involve any fluids with gaskets or O-rings. Here we have the new gasket. I'd argue it's an O-ring, but this is what Cummins calls it. Here's the new thermostat, which is actually a newer modified version, featuring 2 jiggle valves. Wow, so cool. Let's go put it on the unit. When installing it, it's crucial that you make sure the jiggle valves are placed at 6 and 12 o'clock so that air bubbles can escape. Time for reassembly. Everything will go back in the reverse order you disassemble. Guys, you have no idea how tough this work is. But hey, that's why we hire these guys. One time I drained my transmission fluid instead of my oil. I can't imagine doing something this involved. After topping off the coolant, it is important to pressure check the cooling system and verify there are no leaks. No leaks! Let's run the unit 20 minutes. Repair success. Engine got up to 170 F. Back in auto. See you next time. Thanks for watching.